I wanted to do a short video on the different things that you can grow in your garden that can be purchased from the grocery store instead of just from a garden center or the seed rack. So let's start with the herbs. Most times when you buy anything that is a full seed, fennel seed, dill seed, especially organic, those seeds will regrow. So consider you could buy a seed packet of fennel and get maybe 20 to 50 seeds in there, or you could buy a jar in the spice aisle and get a complete glass jar full of fennel seeds. You can see that that's more cost effective. If you have potatoes at home and they start to grow eyes, that's great. Plant them. You can plant them in some soil, you can plant them in some mulch. They're real easy to grow. Put them in a bucket, cover them with dirt or mulch, and they will regrow you some more potatoes. You know potatoes are ready when the plant dies back. So let them grow. When the plant on top dies, then you know you can start digging down for potatoes. Unless you want baby potatoes, then you could do it sooner. Some other things you might see in the store are 15 bean soup. I think I got these at Dollar General. $2.79 for 15 different bean seed varieties. So basically, you're getting a full bag full of seed, 15 different varieties, probably more, beans that you can just plant in the ground and they will grow you some more beans. Great Northern. A bag of Great Northern is what, $1.49? Imagine buying a seed packet of Great Northern seeds from the seed aisle, you know, over in the gardening section. You'd pay $2.99 and get maybe 40 seeds. This you're getting 300 to 500 for $1.49. Organic is best, but if you don't have organic, you could definitely try these dry beans. Here are dry kidney beans. You can also do popcorn. I got this from the Amish store. It's just dry corn. Plant it. It'll grow more popcorn. Popcorn's very easy. You plant it in the ground, let it grow until the plant dies, and then you pull the dry cobs off and pull the kernels off and pop them. This was a great find. This was rattlesnake pole beans. I got this big bag for, does it say on here? I think it was less than $3. I got these at the local feed store, Clyde's, I believe. They have big sacks of seed specifically for farmers that are reduced in price. Now you could get rattlesnake pole beans from the Walmart seed section and you'd pay $3 for maybe 20 seeds. Here I got a big sack of them for under $3. Also, when you're shopping in the grocery store, brown rice, as long as it's organic brown rice and not instant, you can grow the rice. Lentils, any color. A full bag of lentils you can regrow. I also, this year, started green lentils. I just did a video showing how well those sprouted, and I'll do a follow-up video so that you can see what the harvest looks like. But just look around your store when you're at the grocery store and think, what am I buying that's actually a seed that could be planted? Now, cracked corn isn't going to work. It has to be whole corn. You know, split pea probably won't work because the peas are split. Here's another one. I'm excited I'm going to be doing this year. This is quinoa. So, I don't know if you've ever eaten quinoa, but it's a beautiful plant. If you Google how to grow it, it's very simple. It gets to be about 10 foot tall. Beautiful plant, and hopefully we'll be getting some ancient grains out of it. So, never fear. There's always things that you can plant and regrow. And that doesn't even touch on what you can get from the produce section. Produce, if you get green onions, buy the green onions. As long as there's roots on them, you can just plant the roots and they will regrow and you'll have green onions all summer. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to show you different kinds of seeds or roots or tubers like turmeric, ginger, all the different things that can be grown. All right, bye.